Welcome to the Lean Six Sigma world, your ultimate destination for mastering Lean Six Sigma. Today, in this video we will explain how to implement 5S tool into workplace and how to create 5S standards for any workplace. But before we dive in, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And hit that notification bell so that you never miss our power-packed videos. Let's get started. So, what is 5S tool? The lean manufacturing techniques of Japan are the foundation of the popular workplace organization technique known as the 5S tool. Every S in the 5S acronym stands for a distinct action that helps create a productive and ordered environment: sort, simplify, shine, standardize, and sustain. Now, let's explore each phase of the 5S tool and how to apply it effectively in your workplace. Step number 1: Sort. Objective: identify and separate necessary items from unnecessary ones. What is the process of sorting with the 5S tool? Use labels or colored tags to classify each item. Categories may include essential, rarely used, to be reassigned, and dispose. Remove all items labeled dispose or that have no immediate or future value. Relocate items that are occasionally needed to a separate area to avoid clutter in high-use spaces. Step number 2: Simplify. Objective: arrange necessary items in an organized, logical manner for easy access. What is the process of simplify with the 5S tool? Clearly label storage areas, shelves, drawers, and bins. Utilize color codes to make finding and returning items easier and more intuitive. Step number 3: Shine. Objective: clean and maintain the workspace to ensure a high standard of cleanliness. What is the process of shine with the 5S tool? Develop a checklist covering all cleaning requirements, including daily, weekly, and monthly tasks. For example, machinery should be inspected and wiped down regularly, and workstations tidied daily. Step number 4: Standardize. Objective: create consistent procedures and guidelines to maintain organization and cleanliness. What is the process of standardizing with the 5S tool? Develop standard operating procedures, write down all processes for where items belong, how to clean, and maintenance schedules. SOPs ensure everyone in the organization follows the same standards, making it easier to maintain consistency. Step number 5: Sustain. Objective: continue applying 5S practices to ensure long-term success and improvements. What is the process of sustaining with the 5S tool? It includes 3 steps: schedule routine audits, encourage employee feedback and involvement, and last but not the least, recognize and reward compliance. This is how a 5S standard is established. And that's a wrap. So you now understand how to implement each S of the 5S tool and why implementation of 5S standard is important for organizations' efficiency and productivity. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. We would love to hear from you. Do not forget to subscribe to the Lean Six Sigma world and turn on the notification button so that you do not miss our upcoming powerful videos. Stay tuned because we have more exciting Lean Six Sigma insights coming your way. Thanks for your valuable time, and I will see you in the next powerful video.